Find the least common denominator, the LCD, of 2 ninths and 5 twelfths. Well, the denominators are 9 and 12, and a trick to find the least common denominator is to list out a bunch of multiples of each and find out which number appears in both lists first. So let's do 9. The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and we'll do one more, 45. So let's list some for 12 and see if we hit any that repeat here with 9. So the first bunch of them for 12 is going to be 12, 24, 36. So once you hit a number that appears first in both lists, you're done. So since 36 is going to be the first number that appears in both lists, our least common denominator is going to be 36.